Alright, I want to try something a little different this week. The reason why is when you're getting to the higher speeds that you demonstrated, what I'm hearing is a swing feel. And I'm going to demonstrate what I mean here. So I'm just going to take a regular gallop. So I'll just use one chord here to demonstrate it. So that's how the gallop should sound. Now, of course, I'm trying to remember exactly how it was you did it. Okay, this is how I'm hearing you do it. Can you tell the difference? So here's how you're doing it. Here's how it needs to go. So that's what I'll try and do to make it more obvious. I'll change chords. So I'll do a regular gallop and then that swing thing I'm hearing you do. Damn it. So hopefully you can tell the difference between how the gallop is supposed to sound and how you're doing it. So we need to tighten this stuff up. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next set of rhythms here, see how things go this week, and we'll take a different approach if necessary to get things sounding more precise. So what I want you to do this week, no matter how fast you get and how confusing it might sound, I want you to put the 16th note subdivision on while your metronome plays. So this way you hear all four parts. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. So I want you to hear where everything's supposed to line up, and hopefully this hand will sync up a lot better. So remember to count as you play. Say it as you play it from at least 60 to 80. And here we go. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, four. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 150. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can get a little daunting, overwhelming perhaps, we're hearing all those clicks going the entire time, but still I want you to just stick it out, keep those going the whole time. I want that ear to really hear just the whole time. Got to ingrain those four individual parts, get that spacing better. Alright, 60 for number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. going that fast. I'm just concentrating on the downbeat click. So make sure that you use a sound set on your metronome where it's very obvious what the downbeat is, because we don't want the subdivision stuff to sound exactly the same. Then it will be really hard to follow. But yeah, I'm just going fast. It's kind of like allowing, like hopefully the subconscious picks up on all the extra clicks going on here, and it'll help you stay more in time. But as you're gradually building it up, it should stick a bit better. Anyway, number 360. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 150. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for theory stuff, we're going to do something to keep it simple. So what you sent in, so now you got all the threes and flat threes identified. So what you're going to do, come over here to the third part of each bar. So what's going to happen is you get triad chord, it's already there. Your suspended seconds will go here. Suspended fours are going to go here. Because it's easier to do the sus4s, let's start with that. Basically, you need to take all the highlighted notes, raise it up to the next note and key. Just raise it up to that next note and key, and that's the next chord, or that's going to be the appropriate suspended four. Just remember and reference that PDF explaining suspended chords. Not every chord is going to be a suspended four, because only a suspended four can be a 1, 4, and a 5. If you have any alterations within that, such as a sharp 4 or a flat 5, hint, hint, it's not a suspended 4. It's like an altered version of it. So double check your PDF, see what it is, because there's one particular suspended chord or suspended 4 version. How do I want to say this? There's like a special suspended 4 that's like an altered one. It will not auto-generate the name in Guitar Pro, so you just got to be careful with that. And also double check the mode info at the top of each bar and see if you have a 1, 4, and 5 in each mode. If you have something that's different than a 1, 4, and 5, there's your variant right there. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, just let me know. So yeah, any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.